Now this is how you can use the AirPods Max, a quick guide. Let's get into it. So the AirPods in general are designed to be very easy to use and user friendly, and therefore the AirPods Max do not even have a power on button. There is not any button or any way to turn them on or off. But it's really simple to use them. Essentially, you want to keep your AirPods in the case at all times when you are not using them, right? Because this preserves battery and just switches the AirPods into like the mode where you're not using them, of course. So if you would like to start, just take them out of the case and the AirPods will then try to establish connection with your devices. If you're brand new with them or if you haven't set them up before, you're gonna get a pop-up on your phone where you can just click connect and proceed with the steps to set it up for the first time, like turn on Siri and some other features if you are prompted to. But then you can just place them on the top of your head. They will be recognized that you have them on your ears and you can start using them from your phone. So you can open up any kind of media or music or whatever it is and start playing the stuff, and it will be like directly going into the AirPods. If not, you need to ensure that the source or output for your music is selected to be the AirPods. So swipe down to access the control center, then locate the music player, and through the AirPlay logo, you want to choose the output device. So you want to make sure, as I said, that the AirPods are selected, right? So that is making sure that you are controlling the volume of the headphones and that the sound is not going through the iPhone speaker or any kind of Bluetooth speaker connected. Naturally, as you have the AirPods Max on your head, you can use the digital crown to rotate it to add or lower the volume. Press it to pause, double press it to go to the next track, and triple press it to go to the previous one or start the current one from the beginning, right? You also have the other button, which you essentially use to switch between the modes. So you can switch from transparency to complete noise reduction and cancellation. So there are some modes you can go and switch in between, and it's very useful and good to know. So that's just a very quick guide on how you can use the AirPods Max. I really wanted to get straight to the point, but if you have more questions and require some deeper assistance, I might make an updated video about it. So leave a comment below, and thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one.